will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on profile, click on it here. And you just click here on profile, then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Click here on settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. Then you click here on activity filter, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down. Then you come here to content shared in comments. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean content shared in comments disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like